Give us that license, sir.
Huh?
Driver's
Yeah.
license.
Jeez, thank God I got it.
Right, just get yourself in. Brain working today?
Say that again?
Is your brain working today?
Yeah, been revising, so.
Do you learn all them questions?
Most of them, yeah, 90%.
90%?
Yeah. Look, I know it's not a good look.
It doesn't even look like you.
I know, it looks. Have you watched Superbad?
Who?
Superbad, the film.
No.
People say I look like that guy.
What's not a good look?
Yeah, I know. Well, hopefully I get a new photo if I get a new images.
How old were you when that was took?
Oh, like 16, 15. Lots changed since then, I guess.
What's the date today?
It's Tuesday, 6th.
Today we've got Cillian in for driving test.
Oh no, this is YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh.
He failed the driving test down south. What for?
Speeding 26 and a 20.
26 and a 20. First attempt in Durham. He's got the brains to do. He just lacks a bit finesse, don't you? Yeah.
Yeah.
Can be a bit rough.
Yeah.
You ready?
Okay.
Now when you get in the car, the exam, put your license in there. Have you got that?
Yeah.
Do you want me to come with your own test?
I'm not bothered. I'm not bothered. I'll just do it, I think.
You just do it.
Yeah. Actually, you're quite harsh with my driving. So.
You what?
You're quite harsh with my driving, so.
Well, stay calm, sir. That's nicely done, isn't it?
Yeah.
A bit wide as you come on. Does your mate Joe know he's got his testing? Does he know?
Yeah, I think he does actually.
Does he?
Didn't tell him, but just had lunch and
His friend passed for a clean sheet.
yeah.
Jojo, wasn't it? Joe?
Yep. No, Jojo. No. Joe.
I've got a pupil called Jojo. Now he'll say at the end of the test, he'll say, do you want your trainer, do you want to listen to the debrief? Say yes. Have you got that?
Oh yeah, no.
The
Of
result.
course.
I need to listen. When it's got my...
Actually, no. If I don't do well, then I'll.
No, I need to listen. Have you got that? I need to know what you feel for. I like to keep records. Having a bad run, look. 50% pass rate. Dear me, how you lined up against the wall and shot for it.
That's not going on YouTube, is it? No, I'm feeling good.
You are?
Feeling good.
I hope you pass it. I really do. I'll be absolutely buzzing. You pass. Get it.
Traffic's not so bad.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still not.
He has a 3:39. It's the worst test you can do. School patrols, school kids, flashing 20s, busy roundabouts. He's up against it. He had 2 mock driving tests yesterday when it was nice and quiet. Tell me what you done.
Well, they were both alright. I just missed the mini roundabout first one. Oh no, I stopped a bit late. Just sudden braking, and then 34 in a 30 or something.
35, 36. We're going right at the roundabout from year 6 to 9. Yeah. We just put one up yesterday.
Oh yeah, video. Yeah, I watched that one. Good before the test, you know.
Who was it?
I don't remember.
Robin.
Yeah.
It's called as a scammer.
I mean,
What do you think of the scammer?
I'm not gonna answer the question. I'm more test.
You can say yes. I don't mind.
You're harsh. You're harsh.
You won't?
You're very harsh with your mock tests.
I'm not as harsh as these examiners.
No, that's a lie.
I've just had Robin.
How many people pass your mock test? How many
No
people
one.
pass the driving test? Yeah.
You're the type of guy who should not be failing the driving test. Now, the kids about, the fashion police.
Yeah. It's only a guy.
Right, can you drive it forward into a V? Drive forward into a V. It's nicely done, sir. Back it out to the left. I'll leave that in the video.
Huh?
I'll leave that in the video. Flip and look over your right shoulder, please. There's more accidents when people reverse out of gears. Reverse to the left. Could you reverse into one? If it's really good, I'll leave it in. Show you about your reversing skills, yeah?
Yeah.
See the blue car?
Yeah. He's winning.
Stop now. Bit impatient. They've got to stop when they come near here.
Okay. That probably needs adjusting. What's in here? Is it?
Yeah, it's a bit cockeyed, but it's a pass well done. Turn right over here. Definitely, yeah. That would have been in third going round the roundabout. Big roundabout.
Well,
If you go
not
around,
gonna get any minus points for going slow. You know what I mean?
well, yeah, if you go around too slow, somewhere you just might.
Well, I'll take the minor. I'll take the minor.
Yeah, but what happens? Somebody cut you up, and you goose. You try and move over.
Like that. Like that.
That's good, yeah. That's good. It's indicating. Do you not see them indicating?
I'm trying to be safe, right?
It's not being
This is
safe.
not-
This is not being.
Well, it's being a little too cautious here.
Well, I don't get it. It's not being safe. The roundabout turn left. If the car behind sees it, indicate the light flash. Don't expect you to stop it.
Right, he's not indicating.
Then I would not go. Now that one's indicating, so I just go.
But he's not. So
He's not,
let me
so-
just wait.
There you go. Yeah, watch for them to do, yeah?
Yeah.
They just step on. Probably one of them's got a bad name. They don't bother who's coming, just shove them. Just walk in the middle of the road and it's lollipop sticking out. I had an Indian guy there, right? School patrol put his lollipop up there like that and get everybody stopped, and that's, I guess, what he done. Just drove straight through. nice is that Lord I didn't have to stop because it was on that side. Look how much space you give these cars on the left here.
Yeah. Shut up.
Concentrate. Stop.
Faster than that.
Yeah, but your clutch went down too early. Yeah.
Wait, can you fail for going braking too slow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
You need both blind spots.
Yeah, that's most important.
Right. Put a signal to move off because there's a car behind. Yeah, you pushed your clutch down way too early. Turn on left. Right, will you push your brake to the floor and at the last second stamp the clutch?
Yeah.
Got it. Concentrate. Stop. Well done. Right, drive when you're ready. Put the handbrake on. Drive when you're ready. Any questions about that? That was much better.
No.
Yeah. So you just push the brake right to the floor. Have you got that?
Yeah.
Go into the test centre and reverse me into a B. Next right. Go around, sir. Did you used to do this method before I met you? Or was it the granny method or again?
I just do whatever.
And what did you do when I first met you?
Same as I always did.
Yeah. Try and have a look over your left shoulder. It's where your cars are going. Stop staring at them. You look like a goldfish. Right. Well, you're on the line here. Pressure must be getting to you. Good. We're going to open the bonnet. Have you been under the bonnet?
Not in a while. Not for the Mini, I don't think. Wow, yeah, no.
Right. It's time to wish this numpty the very best of luck. To go on prediction time.
What my result is?
Yeah,
I think I'll pass with 4 minors.
If he's on the game, if he's on the ball, he could do 2 or 3, but he's a bit sloppy at times, so he might do about 4 or 5. I'm going from a regular 3. I went for 1 driver fault last week and he failed. I'm not very good at
Well, it's a lot of luck, isn't it, at the end of the day as well.
No, you need luck, you just drive safely. Right. I'm going to wish him the very best of luck. I hope he passes. He'll be on a buzz. Right, go and open the bonnet. Jump out.
What, press this down?
Pull it gently. I normally say pull it hard, but you're very brutal. Pull it up. Right, now pull it again softly. Open the bonnet for us, yeah?
Coming out?
Oh, you know what I'm thinking?
What?
You know that driving examiner?
Yeah.
He's seen you and drove off. Oh dear.
See my parking, I guess.
You what?
See my parking.
We're back off test with this soup, my hero. Tell him what you've done, sir.
I passed, thank God.
How many faults?
5.
What were the 4?
I don't remember. I heard him say 4 actually. I don't know. There might.
Couple of hesitation.
Yeah. Just
Which he was
a
hesitant
lot of
for.
traffic, so I was trying to play it right.
And hit the curb. Right hit the curb.
Just when I was pulling up before my parallel park.
Before you parallel
Yeah.
park?
I mean, I don't normally hit the curb, you know.
No, that. And what was the other 2?
But you made me pull up a lot, so.
Well, how many times do I do that? I know what to do. I do it loads, don't I? Well, tell us what it feel like. What's it feel like to pass?
Yeah, it feels good. I've been waiting a while to prove myself on the test, you know.
It's a good feeling, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where do you want dropping off at again?
Just when I normally go with the car.
I've had a memory blank. Where do I pick it up?
Like just in the city centre. Yeah.
Hmm.
You're normally not the one driving, are you?
No. Chihuahua drive smooth as
Alright,
butter.
yeah.
They don't change gear like you.
Get ready for your mock test.
He said you were alright, didn't he?
Yeah, he just, yeah, it's literally just a hesitation that he was worried about, but
He's a nice bloke, wasn't he?
yeah.